drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of haters, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the cover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang, gang. What is going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hopefully, you've had a beautiful Monday. Now you're ready to kick some ass, take some names, whatever you're into, you know. Monday, maybe the false move. Are we going to continue down? I should do a poll, up or down. That's the original, right? I think you guys let me know. Up, 1, 2, down. You guys can let me know. I think we might need a little retracement. However, how we get there is pretty grim. The price action has slowed right down. We got Donald Trump tweeting, getting everybody excited, and now we're here twiddling our thumbs. Nothing better. What's going on, everybody? Let's say good morning. Look at all these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful otters over here. The gang. The gang. The only gang. You don't have to do any crime to be part of the gang. What's going on, Nadeem? Good to see you. Mac. Mob the Great. Hi-ho. Let's go. Yeah. So, Chop, man. Chop. And, like, really, really ugly Chop. Got a little bit of a push here through London. I don't know how you get long in here. I don't know what justifies you to wait through all this shite. But nice push up and then chop. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. And it's not even like... Anyways. I'm not going to badmouth it. I'm going to be prepared. That's all. This looks like it needs to come down to VWAP. What do we got to VWAP? Yeah, not even 0.5%. It's one of those weeks, guys. I mean, this is typical bear market price action. You ask Piper, you ask anybody who's been around. It's a whole lot of nowhere. You get this kind of price action, then boom, right? Then boom, boom, and then so the name of the game right now is how do we wait long enough to find a good setup? That's the name of the game. Right now, it looks like we have pushed up and now we're rolling back over, looking to take the lows. And we'll see if we can continue. Head and shoulders, Solana. Is it a complex head and shoulders when it has two shoulders like Quasimodo? Is it a complex? Is that what it's called? I think that's what it's called. Is it called complex? They just add an extra word to word salad everybody who's new to trading. Another day, no trades. Yeah, that's it, Notice. Another day. I mean, I took trades in the afternoon. I took a short. In here. Where was it? Somewhere in here. Continuation short. Continuation up here. I took 2 trades yesterday. Made what did I make? 1,300 or something like that. Okay, so I have been taking trades, but it's not our job to force trades, even if we're live streaming, hanging out with you guys. You know, if you're new to the channel and you've been here, you haven't seen when the market's moving, we take 3, 4, 5 trades during the live stream. So I mean, it's all about environment and patience and setups, protecting capital. That's how it's always been, really. What's going on, Terry, with the smoking strawberries? Let's go, man. Good morning. Good to see you. The smoking strawberries, Tuesday. Simple Jack. How's it going, Simple Jack? Rebel Moon, Nadim. Good to see you, Nadim. How you doing? You got Mag Lac Q official. That's a mouth salad, man. Love it. Welcome. Good to see you, Trace. Good afternoon. I'm guessing you're in Europe, Trace? A lot of Europeans here. I mean, isn't everybody a bit European? You know, even in Canada, it's like, oh, I'm Irish, I'm Italian. Like, you're a Canadian. Like, I'm British and Italian, Irish and French. I'm a mutt. I'm a complete mutt. Shri and Pandy. I was raised by my Italian family mostly, though. So I identify with the Italians the most because that's what I grew up with. Polenta, Spezzettino, Bello, Nonna, you know? So I grew up with that side of the family. I didn't know my dad's side, so. And they were French and Irish. Oh, watch out. Good morning, G1. Wait for the 12-minute spoon. Yeah? You guys like everybody who's part of the family, they all got the indicator yesterday. Just the spoon hits, what was it, 12 for 12 or something you said? You tested it on the 12-minute? Anyways, that's cool. I love that for you. Just wait for the 12-minute spoon feed. Yeah. I'm here for it too, man. So, what have we done? We've consolidated and we've pushed up. Oil rising back up, so we could see that Bart Simpson inverse, right? We could see that on the NASDAQ too. We have seen the NASDAQ roll over a little bit more than Bitcoin, which is good. We want to see a retracement. Obviously, this is Donald Trump news, and we had that push up, and now we're kind of stuck here, right? So we'll do top-down analysis. We have all of our levels. We're prepared. We're ready to go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hopefully we find some trades today. But yet again, we are not going to force it. Okay, what's going on? Proof of work. Good to see you, man. Army Piper in the chat. How you doing, Army? What do you think about this price action? It's pretty telling of uncertainty, that's for damn sure. Shri and Pandy, my man, always coming in saying gang, gang, gang. Good morning, good to see you. How you doing? God bless, man. G1, good to see you. Lava as well. Alexander G, how am I? I'm really good, actually. My mother-in-law is visiting, and my son is loving spending time with his nana. I went golfing yesterday after I took a couple trades. And then I'm going to go golfing with TradeFly on the weekend. I'm flying to California to go play golf with TradeFly. So that should be fun. I'm excited. Going to play some golf, man, with my man Tradefly. So that should be cool. I've never been to Cali. Are you going to come pick me up at the airport, Alexander G? Tusi, good morning. Good to see you. How you doing, bro? I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Good morning, Jennifer. How's it going, Jennifer? Welcome to all the ladies in the chat putting up with my ass. I mean, you're the real heroes here. You're the real heroes hanging out, kicking ass, taking names. We couldn't get into Pebble because it is Pebble is fully booked. It's Easter long weekend, but we are doing Torrey Pines, baby. So if you know, you know. Ghost of Odyssey, good morning. What's up? How you doing, bro? So rolling over here, expecting price to come down into VWAP here first and foremost. A little bit of an imbalance in here, so we'll see how price does materialize coming into market open here. A little bit of toppiness. You can see the head and shoulders on Solana locally here. Looking to rotate back down to 90s. Bitcoin looking to rotate back down as well. We did have a nice push out here at around 3 a.m. and then that consolidation here, just holding the higher lows. So naturally expect a sweep and maybe a continuation, but we shall see. We shall see. Very choppy, very slow, a little bit painful, but that's okay. That's okay. We'll figure it out as we go here. What's going on, JR? Good to see you, man. With the Otters. VW, Pero, good morning. Soul, yeah. Wagwan, my dog, good to see you, Philly. How you doing, man? Dan, good morning. Triple, good to see you as well. All Discord members, good morning to you guys. Bruce D, thank you for being here. Mortimer Duke, Loco, Mindmates, good morning. Yeah, the sporadic, it's kind of very sporadic price action, right? Where you get two doji candles that don't really get anywhere, and then you get a big ass engulfing candle, right? You can see that throughout. Yeah, chop, 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 man. So patience here. We are getting to the highs. Like if we go swing high to swing low here, we would see that we're 786 territory, right? Leaving this liquidity behind too, we haven't really swept equal lows. So there's a Lunar Beaches. We do have a balloon dog in here. Here's a little balloon dog printing. So this could be continuation up. I don't like that we didn't come back for any of this liquidity here. I don't like that we didn't sweep in here and then go. However, we did have this as a buy level in our Discord. So some of you may have waited out this long, but it's been something. It's been something, that's for damn sure. Bruce D, Mortimer Duke, thank you for always being here. Local Crypto, Mindmates, Cubanadian, good morning. The indicator is fire. He likes the indicator. I mean, I want you guys to break it. That's the key. I gave every Discord member in our community, I gave them all the indicator for free to smash it. I want them to smash it. So far, we have a couple of things that people want. Can't find a trade. Lots of waiting. Primo Viva. Yeah. Curtis Hill, good morning. It is lots of waiting. Yeah, it is lots of waiting. And having conviction through the chop, like this is where we all want it to be long, right? Right here. So we have equal lows, but like you are waiting, from let's say one in the morning all the way till VWAP, which is 3 a.m. right? So you're waiting 2 hours just to get the move, right? It's tricky. It's tricky, especially as a scalper in this. I mean, you literally have gotten nowhere. So no escape velocity, but hopefully we get some volume into market open. I mean, the NASDAQ rolling over is doing very similar things, right? The SPY rolling over here, chopping up, rotation down, retest, coming back down. We still have the gap down from the Trump pump. Oil looks to be climbing, which is bearish, right? So we look at oil and we can see, you know, the big Trump announcement to kind of buff up the markets before the week starts, and then got this ascending triangle. Obviously, this could be a bear flag if it does do this, and then it could fall. However, we do have this, right? So we would look for that generally. But it's a lot of uncertainty in the market. You know, there's no real conviction of direction, right? So our job is to be objective and patient right now, which is hard. It is hard. Like, for me, I have to physically remove myself from the charts. Otherwise, I want to click it, right? That's why I took a couple trades yesterday, and then I went golfing. I don't know what was the account at yesterday. It's at 8. So I made about $1,400 yesterday. Yeah. Taking the trades, showing the trades. 18.4 right now. Almost 18.4. 18.369. Damn, 369. Damn fine. Boom, shaka, tell me one more time. Get low. I know you guys all thought of it. If you're a 90s kid, you can't. Need for Speed Underground 2, man. If you played that video game, you cannot unhear that song. Put a 1 in the chat if you know what I'm talking about. I want to see it. Underground 2, man. Yeah, let's go. Underground 2. So good, man. Good to see you. Good morning, Philly Skills. What's going on, my mates? Cubanadian, Milan, Primo, Viva. Legend game, yeah, man. That was Underground 1, was it? You get the psh, psh, you get the blow-offs and all. To the windows. Tony, let's go. Everybody's got to go and play that song today. Drive down the... See, if I drive my son to school, you know what's happening, right? You know what's happening. Oh, man. Too good, man. Too good. What a time to grow up, man. Pull back to 76.50 and then go. I could see that. Yeah, I'd like a pullback, but we'll see. Good to see you all. Thank you for being here. Thank you for saying good morning. Liquidity up there on Sol. Fake it then too. So a bunch of y'all saying we're going to go down. 7% mortgage rates coming when I'm trying to sell a condo. Yay. You have another condo? Look at you, Piper. You're just diversified, man. Curtis Hill, Paul Hindenburg. The hottest air in all of crypto. What's going on, Mr. Hindenburg? That's Blimpin. Ben, Jackson, Curtis Hill, good to see you, man. Superman, good morning. Steve Hickey, Elkan Delas. Steve Hickey, Curtis Hill, man. God bless. Good to see you guys. Thank you for always being here, guys. Your douche canoe gave me an earworm. Sorry, XYZ. Another day, no trades. Yep, that's it, Nodius. You gonna tell me to click a button here? Not happening, man. Starting my birthday off right. Dump it. Curtis Hill. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You look like a monkey. And you act like one too. Happy birthday, Curtis Hill. Thank you for always showing up, man. Let's put some cake in the chat for Curtis Hill. God bless you, man. Thanks for always being here. Shark Fins. Good morning, Crypto Titan M4. Little Fish, good morning. Good to see you guys. John, the man, the myth, the legend, Dread Mining. Braid Dog, good morning. Curtis Hill. Hafiz, Dusty, you punk ass. What's going on, man? And Ben. And Ben. You guys timed that well. Good morning, Simple Jack Guru, Dread Mining. Any gaps filled today? Yeah, we filled a whole bunch of gaps, man. What's your WAP settings? It's just VWAP, man. It's just VWAP. That's all. Is yours different? You're probably on a different chart. I'm on the Bybit chart. You see up here? It'll change because there's different volume on different exchanges, my friend. So just check if you're on the Bybit chart. There, Ben, Trace, good to see you. Dread, Chantel, good morning, Chantel. How you doing? How you doing? Dustin, Nick, did you put CME gaps on your indicator? Today's the day where I won't time out people because everybody who got timed out yesterday, you can say CME gap. Today's the only day I'll let you say CME gap in my chat. It's the only day. I will let it slide today. I felt a little bit guilty. You guys hit a Canadian chord with me where I feel like I should apologize for yesterday, but I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna apologize, but you can say CME gap today. So get it out. Get it out while you can. Do you have coffee? Always, sir. Always, sir. Boring. Good afternoon. Good morning. Anywho, Hoto, Adrian, Crypto, Jung, my man, what's going on? Good to see you as well. I need to play some golf today for my birthday. You get it in, Curtis L. You deserve to play golf. Absolutely. Good luck with TSA lines. Don't know about golf, but nice views. Torrey Pines looks great. I've never played Torrey Pines. But San Diego, baby. I can't wait to hit it into the ocean. Damn, Daniel. That looks so sick, man. Torrey Pines, man. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Wild. Donato Cabrera. Good morning, Shem. Good to see you, Shemitris. How is your golf game, boss? I shoot 80s. So like my best round last year was a 76 mic. I played every sport as a kid growing up, baseball, so I've had to fix that slice, but I've only been playing for 2 years. So this will be my third season. And yeah, man, I broke 80 last year, thank God. But I typically shoot like 80, 82. Bad days are like, high 80s, 87, 88. I'm not playing scratch golf. I'm bogey golf. But, I got like a 290-yard carry drive high draw now. So I've been working on it all winter. But yeah, it's a short game, but good fun. What's going on, Rashad? Ando Pancho, Mojo Jojo in the chat, Doggy Dog. What's going on, Dano Fair 2? How you doing, man? Good to see you. Long time. Madara, good morning. Pac-Man Markets, yeah. Froth Dog, my man. How you doing, Charles? Good to see you, Joseph. Good morning. All the best to you, Mr. Christian. Best game. Good to see you. Everybody just please fake us out and people can say today's the only day we'll allow people to say CME gap. Best gaming era, yeah. Absolutely. They won't let any of the RSIs reset on the higher time frame. Has to go down. Okay. What's going on? Hell yeah. Good to see you, Rianne. Well, it's Jesse. Good morning to you, man. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Blue Mountain. Ben. Good to see you all. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I think we're pretty much through the chat. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Up or down? Right now, up. But probably in 3 minutes down. Good morning, CD. Bubba. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We getting the VWAP slap? I would like a VWAP slap, but there's a little bit more of imbalance below it. So if we do come down here, it would be questionable whether to take the long or not. Feels like relief. CME gap. Get it out, guys. CME gap. Get it out. Put CME in the chat, please. Get it out, because if you do it, tomorrow I will silence you. Wix Wi-Fi 89. Good to see you. Good to see you. Feels great. Relief. Get it out. Even I'll type it here. CME gap. Oh. Got to do it with the water emoji, too. There you go. You got 2 for 1 here. That's awesome. Torrey Pines is fire. Get it out. What's going on, Blockchain Miguel? Good to see you. Let that CME gap. Get it out. You got that kind of distance with those short arms. It's a struggle. I jump as I hit the golf ball, Buck. And that's even if I tee it low. It's only if I tee it low, man. Get it out. Get it out while you can. 10? Yeah, it's pretty bad, isn't it? All right. So where are we at, guys? Let's take a look. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 285 people in here. You guys are still here. That's good, even when I time you out for CME gap. So taking the trades, showing the trades right now, it's been grim. Right. However, we're up 1,400 yesterday. We took a short in here and a long in here, just quick scalps, but a little bit more size because we weren't really moving too much. But hey ho, let's go. Market open yesterday was a gong show. I guess yesterday the long was here, right? Like it front ran our VWAP in the morning, so it was, it was a little bit questionable. Where we look halfway down the candle. And then we look for that continuation. Then we came up to the highs and we chopped up here. So there was a short available. We have our sell wall up here, the red line. And we had orb up here. So orb was acting as, not as resistance, but at a level that we wanted to see taken aggressively. And if it didn't take it aggressively, then we were looking for rotation back down to the order block and into the low. And we got that. So we got that rotation back down into the afternoon. And then it went flat. I managed to short the golden pocket here later and take this thing down. However, it's been a chop fest, guys. So like we always say here, our job is to protect capital, right? So if this, then that. Really just wanting to be patient in here. As we can see, price is just chopping sideways. NASDAQ as well, right? We're accumulating at the bottom here on the NASDAQ. If we zoom out and take a look at this more on a higher term time frame, right? What we can see is this is in my opinion, this is a pretty key level for us to hold. If we do continue to roll over, we're looking at these guys here as support and resistance, as we can see. So if this, then that, really. So patience is going to pay, right? Right now, we want to see these hold on the NASDAQ. We can see the slow bleed out here, obviously, with what's going on in the world. It's going to be one of those. We can go from the high to the low here, and we can see that we're basically in the median of a channel breaking down here on the NASDAQ. So retesting previous lows is always something that you got to be aware of when the macro does this. So whenever you have very clear established lows here and you start trading below, doesn't mean we can't get recovery, okay? Doesn't mean we can't get recovery. It just means that we have broken down and lost key support. So whenever you have that, you look for retests, which we've had, and rotation down. Okay? So this is a warning sign, right? This is a clear as day warning sign. I don't know if you want to call this the M&M pattern. I guess there's a Slim Shady in all of us pattern. Double top. You got Batman. I used to like the Batman pattern. So you go like this. You go like this. You go. You got to do this one. You got to do this one. Wait, wrong way. Right? And then we go up here. Come on, sing it with me, guys. Do 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 do. I'm Batman. Anyways, so you have the Batman signal up here. Okay, you got the ears, the wing, right? Okay, but it's breaking down. It's retesting these lows, so it must recover 24.5. Okay, must. Otherwise, we rotate down to this range in here, and we could consolidate there between that psychological $23,000 level. Okay, same with the SPY. If we zoom out on the SPY, we take a look at this. Okay, these are all important things because why? Because they're bigger markets than we have. And what do we see? We see the perfect Adam and Steve pattern. Okay, perfect. We got Adam and Steve. Okay, Adam and Steve are here. You take this, you measure it down, you put it down here. Okay. Nasty, right? We're already down 7. You typically get 10% corrections on the S&P 500 I think it's every 18 months. Correct me if I'm wrong. Piper should know, but every 18 months you typically get a 10% correction. Every 6 to 8 months, I think you get a 5% correction. Obviously, when this happened, this was a lot different, right? But you get these corrections along the way all the time. Okay, this is normal. However, if we break down, it could be nasty for Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm preparing you for that, right? If this, then that. Oil here, like we talked about this morning, but we are in either a bear flag where we break down, or it's trying to bounce off the lows here and going into an ascending triangle like this. I prefer the ascending triangle, to be honest, because of really where we're at, right? We're finding support in here. We're looking to reclaim in here and push to the top of the range, back to $100 of oil, which is what? Bearish. Okay. Bitcoin's rolling over here. Let me take a look. Coming into VWAP right now, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live. We'll continue the macro analysis as we go. See, I told you it looked bullish, and then 3 minutes later, it's going to look bearish. So here we are, rotating down. Coming back in. Sweep of the lows is VWAP, so we're looking for here as well. Let's change that back to orange here. Rotation down, so trapping traders really. Higher lows, trapping traders breaking down. Solana, very similar. Still waiting here. Yeah, so rotation here, we have a very defined range after yesterday. We can see our previous day high, low, open, close, right? So we can see that we have our high and we have our low. This is very much diddling in the middle. However, we'll see if if there's going to be an opportunity here. Welcome to Chopville. Still no trade here. Showing the trades, taking the trades. Welcome, everybody. Thank you for being here on the live stream here. Showing the trades every single day. Helping you guys navigate the charts. Thank you for supporting the channel. I haven't asked you guys to like the video today, but if you wouldn't mind clicking the like button, I'd appreciate that. We got 310 people in here and 90 likes, so thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons. I do appreciate you guys. We'll continue through the macro analysis. I just want to see how we react at VWAP here. I'd like this to follow through VWAP a little bit further. You can see we have a fair value gap here coming up. This would be our golden pocket 786 level here with an order block in it. Okay. And this could just be a sweep of the lows in here and continuation up. Price action is absolutely dog shite, mate. So we'll see how it goes here. Daily close level bounce. This is a fake pump. This is so lame. Yeah, it's not nice, man. Good morning, Al. I missed any good trades? Nope, no trades right now. This is just rolling over, coming into VWAP right now. What's going on, D Jenny? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Curtis Hill, dump it for his birthday, baby. Miss Teen Crypto, what's going on, Randy? How you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. Coming down into that VWAP for a slap. VWAP for a slap. L dumpage. Yes, L dumpage. Soul rollover. Yep. Soul's got a little bit further to go. Bitcoin coming down here. Still waiting. What you want to see with VWAP here is if you have the red candle and it's coming down, right? You want to see this thing pop through and bounce back and close above. Generally. And then you're typically waiting for one more candle. Generally. Okay? Because you're contrarian to the trend here. You're looking to take the liquidity out of these lows here. So you have established lows. Right? So you're looking to slap, close, bullish candle, buy, stop loss, target. 3 to 1. Generally. They're playing with my VWAP heartstrings this morning. I mean, VWAP was an absolute gem yesterday, guys. Look at this. Short. During Asia. Pretty wild. Oh. I don't miss trading Asia. I miss hanging out with you guys during Asia, but I also like spending time with my family, really. That's why we get into trading, right? To do the things we love. What's with these poles? The poles are at the bottom, not the top now? I don't know. My stripper ass doesn't like when you move my pole. More lessons. But I can't give away all the lessons. I'm a teacher at heart, but I guess I don't really show how much I teach during the live streams. I guess you ask the Discord members how much I teach. We talked about taking profits yesterday and the intention of the trades. So we went through like a taking profits kind of criteria, percentage of take profits, how to take profits based on your trade setup. We talk about using the exchanges. We talk about how to mark out your charts, full breakdowns. I guess I should teach a little bit more on the live streams and try to help people. I must have missed it, so I have to ask, why is the word CME so forbidden? Is there a more specific reason, or is it just because it is an acronym, just like VWAP, FRP? Why is the hate? So with the CME gap, a lot of the time I come in Monday morning and there's a CME gap, and everybody's like, CME gap. And in my experience, the CME gap's only really effectively traded when we're in a bullish uptrend on a macro scale. So Hey, what's going on, Face? Good to see you, bro. So when we look at a CME gap, right, and you're pushing, so if this is our top and we're like here and we're waiting for like that accumulation into the bull run for next run, the CME gap's effectively traded here, not so much here and here. If this is your macro analysis, right? So we're generally bullish over time, right? If we go on a monthly chart and we look at this Bitcoin price action, we're generally bullish. So for me, the gap is mainly used for pushing out, retracing back in, and continuing up to Valhalla. But until we're in this environment, I don't really look at it, because my experience is that if you're at the top or you're breaking down, all the CME gaps here are going to be recovered on the way up. That's just my thinking. Front running VWAP again. Are they going to do us dirty like they did yesterday? Look, they front ran us yesterday, VWAP. Are they going to do it again? What's going on, Face? You enjoying the chop, man? This is we might as well go trade NASDAQ, bro. How you doing, brother? Good to see you. What up, Crank? I mean, you guys are all just hanging out here. You guys just want to talk shit with me. Crypto Face, Crypto Crank. What tool brand do you use? We had this discussion. Are you a Milwaukee guy? A DeWalt guy? Come on, I'm a carpenter. You guys got to tell me. What is your tool brand of choice? You say Ryobi, you're gay. Just saying, man. Just saying. As a carpenter, I need to know, man. What are my peers using here? What are my peers using? Milwaukee and DeWalt. All right. All right. Crypto Crank, you ain't got one of those Harbor Freight. Let's go. Crypto Crank, just tell me you don't have Milwaukee packouts. Just tell me. DeWalt Hilti. You guys, as a carpenter, I need to know what my peers are using here. You know. Crypto Crank be showing up to the charts like this guy. Just please don't be like, I got an idea. I got an idea, guys. Why don't we all screw the light bulb in together? I'm kidding, bro. I know Crypto Crank can take a fucking joke, but there's AlexOCrypto right there. Actually, this is Alex. This would be Crypto Crank. He's like regular size. This is AlexOCrypto. I got the Milwaukee fucking stilts attachments, guys, because I'm so short. I got these ones. This one's they add like, I need about 10 more inches, right? We all could use with a couple more inches. So this would be AlexOCrypto's Milwaukee pack out. Fuck, man. This chop is brutal. Coming down to VWAP again. Bro, I'm 5'4", man. Crypto Crank, you are I'd be looking at your neck beard. I'd be looking at your neck beard, man. Oh man, too good. Your chain would be hitting me in the forehead like a mushroom slap, bro. Come on, guys. You can all you tall people. Let's see who's the tallest in the chat. We got VW Pero here, 6'3". All right. Django wants more girth. Like Stifler, I'm 11 inches. Around. Think about it. 6'3". All right. Casper's a giant. Yeah, Drew from Discover Crypto is massive. I met Drew. 6'5", did Jenny from the blockchain. Oh, man. 6'9"? Yeah, right, man. You're not even sitting at a desk. You got like a lawn chair. You got a lawn chair. You can put the other thing in brackets too if you want. I mean, even if I'm 5'4" downstairs, even if mine is average, it looks big because I'm short. It's all about proportions, guys. It's all about proportions. Look, I got a whole bunch of alpha males here sharing their height. Look at all these guys. 6'4", Dread Mining. Dread Mining doesn't have any mining units on the floor. They're all chest height. They're all chest height. I'm white. D Jenny's 6'4" and white, guys. He's you guys are great, man. What are those? Harbor Freight. I'm gonna head out for the show. You left right at the perfect time. 5'11", but you say 6 foot. How many people in here are 5'11"? Shamitris is 5'9" with some legs. That's like my wife. My wife is 5'9". No, my wife is 5'5". But she's all leg. Like her torso is probably 3 inches shorter than her legs, which is brilliant, guys. I'm telling you, I'm punching. I'm telling you, I'm punching. $5.11 and 5/16. Let's go, Gentry. Oh, that is so good, man. You put 6 foot on your Tinder profile. You put 6 foot. What about waist size? Guys, so with my new dad shoes, the ones I got for my birthday, guys, these ones, I'm wearing them indoors until the weather's nice. Look at that. So these ones make me about 5'6", man. These new ones, if you're a short king like I am, you get these things, you're 2 inches, man. All right. I'm wearing them indoors because it's still like snowy and muddy out. And when you put on your shoes for trading, I'm telling you, you feel like you're at work. It's a psychological thing. Put a 1 in the chat if you wear shoes while trading. Try it. You feel like you're at work. Okay, you feel like you're at work. It creates a psychological. It's almost like a placebo effect. All right, fuck that. It feels like you're at work. It's like a placebo effect, where you're just ready for it, man. It's like you're at work. Flip flop thongs. Let's go. It's also so that when my chair's as high as it can be, it's so my feet touch the ground too, because I can swing my feet. Like I'm so short. Right, like I'm in my chair right now. Right, I'm sitting here talking to you guys. Right, with my desk, and my desk is like up to my chin normally. Okay, but my feet, if this is the ground, my feet don't touch. Right, I can swing my feet, right, if we got our chair here, right, with our wheels. So my feet can swing, but with the shoes on, guys, with this extra little bit of shoes here, we get to touch the ground like a man. It's a big deal for a guy like me, okay? Oh man, you guys get me going in the morning. All the people show up and we just start talking shit. Oh man. That's how we roll. Where's my Nike Elevates? Did anybody see my Nike Elevates? Nike elevates. We used to have a picture. I don't know where they went. Trying to hold VWAP here. Trying to hold VWAP. Oil's ripping? Well, like we said when we were doing macro, we said ascending triangle, guys. This might go, right? This might go. This might go. Trying to hold VWAP here and bounce. We'll see. So where are we at? What do we see? I like the 12-hour trigger wave. So there's a couple of things that do look good on Cypher, but when looking at top down, right, we have the green dot trigger wave. This is this might surprise everybody, but if we get this, if this plays right here, guys, whoo-wee, VWAP crossover trigger wave. I like this on money flow, but if we're looking at this is juicy. If this plays, right? If this plays, that could surprise everybody going into like later on this week. The 12-hour as well, triggering hidden bull divs, right? So we got the hidden bull divs here, higher low, lower lows, right? Higher lows, lower lows, 12-hour trigger wave pushing up. Inward curvature is not my favorite right here. If we look at the 12-hour, you always got to look at the curvature, guys. So when looking at this, we got to watch this. We got to watch how it reacts at the 0 line here, because VWAP is posturing to the downside coming into today. However, candles look good. Consolidation, continuation. The 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. Now, when looking at this, the 4-hour going into market open here and into noon, we're looking for a reaction off the 0 line. We want to see it hold here. We want to see money flow continue out, right? This is a trigger wave on the money flow, which played out beautifully, right? You got that crossover here. You can see it's just trying to push here and continue after Donald Trump. Also, if we do get a pullback and then continuation, right, for that trigger wave on like the 12 and the daily, right? Inverse head and shoulders, right? Point of control, imbalance, right? So for me, looking for this move, could be here. It could be here. Front running VWAP, you dirty bastard. No trade here. Could be here. Oil's ripping, bro. I swear to God, my feet don't touch the ground. When the office chair is as high as it can be, my feet do not touch the ground. I swear to God, it's not fair. Then my feet get cold. Am I going to Vegas? I think I'm going to Vegas. I think Faith's going to Vegas. I think MexC is going to Vegas. I don't know, maybe. I went to Vegas last time. 5'11", 5'6". Wife is 6 foot. Your wife is 6 feet tall. Short king out here. You guys are way too tall for me. I trade buck naked. It's all right, man. Just shoes. That's it. Old man slippers. I got a pair of old man slippers too. Your account makes saying dirty bastard brilliant. Say it again. Just crypto crank. Just take a knee, bro. Take a knee and look through everybody's legs and you'll see me, man. Smiling. You'll find me. You'll find me, man. At the Holiday Inn. Downtrending momentum here. We're going to take some trades with the cranksters. We got a little Adam and Steve here. I guess mini Adam and Steve here. We got complex head and shoulders on Solana. I'd like to see Solana break down here. This could be juicy. Still waiting. So looking at market cipher continuing here, four needs to defend the zero line. We can see, you know, Jesus take the wheel played out nicely here. Rotation down, bullish divs, pushing out. Overextended VWAP, resetting, trying to continue, right? So this still has momentum. This still can keep going. I just want to see VWAP hold here. The 3, the 2, and the 1 still very overextended. Now this is where, you know, we can see the green dot continuation here. Like I said, 3 hour, want to see VWAP hold here. We can see it holding once. Can it hold twice? But the 2 hours where we get we got the camel toe pattern here, guys. I don't know how I get away with this. Like, as soon as Canada passes all their censorship things, I'm gonna get kicked off of YouTube. This is my segue to say subscribe, follow me on X, but you can do whatever the hell you want. I don't care. You got the camel toe. Guys, if you don't trade the market cipher camel toe, okay, they got to be tight. It can't be. It got to be tight. 5-minute camel toe pattern is so good. Equal lows. Okay, this is on the 2 hour, so this is not what I trade. But the 5-minute camel toe, it can't be a moose knuckle. It can't be a big one like this. It has to be tight. Like, it has to be like that. Let me find one for you guys. I'll find one. I'll show you where it's at, okay? Can't be no moose knuckle. Here's a nice one. This one's a little deep, but this one's good. That's a good one. I know. Guys, if you can see it, you can trade it, man. That's the thing, man. I don't care what you say. If you can see it and you've seen the pattern, this is all about pattern recognition. Look, you have a couple nice ones here. This one. Look at that. Buy level. Boom. When they're tight like that, look at that move, man. Look at that move. Against trend, too. All right? Brilliant, mate. Look at this one. That's a beautiful, tight, short. Look at that. If you can see it, look at this one, short. Look at that. Oh, baby. All the way down. Guys, we're here. I trade balloon dogs, right? I trade balloon dogs with their nice ears and stuff. I trade the stiletto pattern. Shout out to Face. Okay? I believe I learned this from Face. Okay? We trade pink boxes. We trade camel toe patterns. We trade Jesus takes the wheels. I mean, look at the Jesus take the wheel here. Where is it? Right here. Here's your Jesus take the wheel pattern. I just saw one on the 2 hour. Was it the 2 hour? Anyways. Once you've seen it enough times, you know. You know. And I'll teach you these patterns. You stay here, you join the Discord, you stay here long enough, I'll show you how I trade, why I trade, show you the trades, take the trades, making crypto honest again. I mean, we're up 8.5 grand the last week and a bit. So we continue to show up, being the turtle. Looking for VWAP slap here, really, guys. We'll see where we get to. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 369. There's 369, man. That's cool, man. This was popped up twice. 369. Thank you guys for being here and smacking up that like button, supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys for showing up. What's a balloon dog? So it's like a double bottom bull flag. It's bottoming structure. The moose knuckle trade. Yeah, that's it, right? I use Oscillator Pro Plus. That's good. Any oscillator is good. We love beavers, man. We love the beaver trade, man. If you got beavers on the chart, you're good to go. I'm sure you have some magical. I mean, you can't. This is the camel toe. You stay away from the camel toe here. This is V-shaped recovery, camel toe. You stay away from that, but. Oh, man. But it's just pattern recognition. That's all. If this front runs VWAP twice in a row on me, I'm going to be fucking livid. Sorry. Sorry for swearing. There we go, swear jar. I've sworn a couple times today. I got to watch it. Yeah, right. We're going to do it. Put a 1 in the chat if it's going to front run VWAP and rip today. Fuck me. How's it doing this twice to me? Even more of a tease today. You guys are all top blasting now, right? I see you guys. We do love beavers in Canada. It's going to run away. Get Low is the song, Sam. 369. Good morning, Magic Mike. Curtis Hill. Dusty. Jesus Take the Wheel and Adam and Eve in the back seat paid yesterday. Yeah, that's it. All right, we'll see where we get to here. Another Canadian, bro. Nice. Hidden bull div, 15 minute. Not sure where you're seeing that. Trigger wave to the upside here on the 12. Consolidation at the highs. Chop down, chop sideways. So like whenever price is doing shit like this, so even last week, you know a move's coming, right? You can see how choppy we were last week. We knew the move was coming into the consolidation over the weekend into our box buy level. Donald Trump tweets. So now we've basically just deviated out of this range, right? So we're right back into it. We're at the highs of the range, so naturally we're looking for price to return down to 69,420. Okay, maybe even a bit lower into a golden pocket here, but overextended to the upside. So just like yesterday, we got bear div in here, rotation down, no break of structure. So you still have higher lows, equal lows here, right? And wherever this comes in here. So naturally you're looking for an SFP of this high here. So you're looking for price to come and mitigate this high, then rotate down, liquidity taken. Then you're looking for the macro, low, high, higher low, and then continuation up. Right now this is very trappy, right? Trapping traders up at the highs from yesterday. So you know there's a lot of leverage in here generally of people buying and selling, right? So there's leverage both directions. So we're in a range in here. Key resistance, key support, right? So top of the range, we're generally looking for failure patterns here to rotate down. Okay. However, we don't have any confirmation of direction yet because we still have higher lows, right? So the assumption is continuation until proven otherwise, right? The assumption is that even if we go down to a micro penis time frame, like 5 minute, right, we still have higher lows, right? So we must mitigate and rotate, right? Then we would look to come back down into this area. until proven otherwise, we must assume that if we do come down into this general area below here, that we are looking for rotation up still, because this would be our low that we need to take. But we are at the top of a range, so we could look to short it down as scalpers. But the bigger trade, in my opinion, would be a long from in here. Okay, depending on price action. So if this, then that, right? If this is local golden pocket, these are the lows trying to be defended. We also have VWAP in here trying to hold, and we're just going pretty much nowhere right now. Okay, so remaining patient here. I want to go for a coffee, but I know we're going to do a VWAP slap as I go for a coffee. Here it comes. If it front runs me here, I'll be pissed. Breaking down. Come on, Biddy. Slap it, baby. $70,500. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. If we can come into here, just take the fair value gap in here. That would be juicy. That would be juicy. My only thing is liquidity in this move here from London. Here we come, down we go. Down we go. Can we react off of the VWAP? No reaction, straight through. Down we go. Can we bounce out of here? Golden pocket. I'm long. Quick scalp. Push. No follow through. Push. And put that stop loss to entry. Let her run. Up $100. Start the day. Golden pocket bounce. Can we bounce? GG's in the chat. We're long. Key level. Can we push back out? Gotta be quick. Push Bitcoin. Don't be a nambe-pambe. That's why I didn't go for coffee, everybody. That would have been an expensive coffee. Pushing up here. We'll see if we do follow through. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Up to test VWAP again. Good sweep this morning. Easy peasy. That's it. As long as you're looking in the right areas, right? I mean, Face with the call. Face even told you. Face even told you. The problem is you gotta be on the charts here a lot, like, to catch these nasty moves. I'm gonna take another half off there. Just wanna eat a little bit today. I'm gonna be up, yeah. Couple hundo, man, to start the day. Keep the doctor away. See if we can get through VWAP here. Nice trade. Quick slap. GG's in the chat, everybody. We're up $170. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. We'll see if it wants to continue here. GG's in the chat. Let's go. Good morning, Guy Kemp. Good to see you. All right. Now all of you people, front ran golden pocket. Your golden pocket. Do you have a secret golden pocket? Is it like a golden shower pocket? It didn't front run golden pocket, bro. There's golden pocket. Unless you got some 0.61 whatever. No front run there. Quick slap in the golden pocket. It's as easy as it comes. Anyways, for all you guys chasing the price, we'll play you guys the Rasta. One of the people's favorites here. Well, I guess we'll play you guys one of the favorites. The VWAP slap song while we go and get some coffee. Otter gang, gang, gang. I'm gonna go get some coffee.
Let's go. Lord Arthur King Bieber in the building. Making crypto honest again. Hey, hey, hey. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Hit the pink box. Make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Trade the buns. Don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits. Now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP. Sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block. Avoid the dark mall. Wick. Stop loss to entry. Don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Hit the pink box. Make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Trade the bonds. Don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits. Now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby. Bullshit. Get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe. Manage your risk. Drop at the top. Slap at the top. Wait for the flip. Push it. Slap it. One pick. Give it the V.
I retimed.
Slap it. Pump it. Hit the big box. Make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Trade the buns. Don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits. Now the friction's
B-Rat doesn't
gone.
like it.
Taking the
No matter what music I play,
stay true to the digits.
doesn't
Gang, gang,
doesn't hit with everybody, obviously. All right. Roll up a couple hundo today. So far, so good. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I should listen to the song when I'm sleeping. Yeah. Looks like we're still rolling over, not reclaiming VWAP, rotation down. So it could come lower, guys. I mean, that's why we pay ourselves quick scalp. See if we rotate. Face, you at 250 yet, man? Guys, if you're not subscribed to Crypto Face, I don't know what the you're doing, man. The legend himself. Rolex giveaways, bingo days. They're like, you were at 249 last time I checked. They be trolling you, man. That's not right. I mean, still the GOAT, man. It's just a number. Omelette du fromage. Don't be an ambi-bambi. Yeah, they be trolling, man. Adrian, Cubanadian, you're on the 5-minute time frame. Oopsie. 3-minute, 5-minute. Trying to push. Trying to continue. Weak sauce. Down, 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 down. Let's see if I'm going to get stopped out here. That's fine. On to the next one. On to the next. On to the next. On to the next. VWAP couldn't reclaim it. So we'll see. Liquidity created this morning. NASDAQ rotating down, looking bearish as well. So coming back down to the lows. So it could be a telling sign. You know, Trump pump here. Over here. Trump pump. Coming down to the lows of the range, rotation down, not looking too hot this morning. Neither is Bitcoin coming down to the buy level again. We'll see. One tap, one quick scalp. Stopped out there in profits. $200 today so far. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, smacking up that like button, subscribe if you're new. We got 430 people in the live stream. Thank you guys for hanging out here and supporting the channel. One trade today. So far, so good. Bitcoin rolling over. Adam and Steve. Solana coming to VWAP right now. Rotation down. Still no more trades. We'll see. Taking that liquidity. So looking to come into here. If we do get a good reaction out of here in the next 10 minutes, then we could possibly look for a long for like a higher low. Quick scalp though, looking to come for this liquidity. We can see NASDAQ's breaking down as well. So for me, it's a bit of a waiting game coming for this liquidity here, right? So trying to take out that low, halfway down the candle, 50%. Not looking the strongest right now. We'll see how the SPY opens up this morning. Thank you everybody for being on the live stream. Subscribe if you're new. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Putting in the work, taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. Failure to reclaim VWAP, rotation down. Looking to come to the liquidity. Golden pocket 786 here. Order block. Down we go. If you're new here, you need an exchange and you want to support the channel, we have a Bitunix link. VIP. Pinned in the comments right here. VIP 3 for 6 months. Channel exclusive. If you do want to join and trade with us. The only exchange that I really show. VIP 3 for 6 months. Bitunix link is pinned in the comments if you do want a good exchange. That's the one I use. That's the one you should use. And you can support the channel by using that as well. If you want to join the Discord, I mean, you can join, but we'll have a sale next week or next month, sorry. We'll do an April flowers, May showers. I don't know. We'll do something. The golden shower. We'll have to come up with some good code name for April. We'll do a discount in April. But I mean, the best Discord de AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. Solana trying to hold. Bitcoin trying to hold. Yeah, Solana needs to come here. That's all. Weakness into market open, which is good. Coming back for late longs. See if we can get a reaction out of here. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. Good morning. RS Miller, good to see you, bro. How you doing? Travel the world. We're using Bybit chart. Best volume in my opinion. Good morning, Ryan. How you doing, man? You're beautiful as well, bro. Equal lows at 70K. But I need price to go up only. So now coming into market open, we'll see, like, it's kind of like a no trade zone. If you're not in a trade already, going into market open within 5 minutes of market open, you typically don't want to enter. Now we are bouncing out of the golden pocket 786 area. We have come back and filled the fair value gap. We could be looking for a rotation back up. We did get rejected off of VWAP. Okay. So continuation down right now. Weakness throughout the market. Market cipher does look like cool off first. You can see that on the hourly anchor trigger wave here. Anchor trigger wave on the hourly. Rotation down through, right? The 2-hour camel toe pattern. Playing out. Rotation down, right? Problem is money flow is coming up here, so we could do one of these. If money flow wants to continue up here, the larger trend will win, right? The 3, the 2. Into the 4, we're looking for just follow through here, and we're looking for the 0 line to be defended on market cipher. We'll see if that materializes into today. Looking at the 24, just down, right? Down. No real relief in here. We had that, London push up. Coming back, grabbing the liquidity of the highs in here. Taking the liquidity, now rotating down. Losing VWAP. Looking for continuation into the liquidity of the lows. 70,000. There you go. Lunar breaches crypto. Equal lows here. Adam and Eve. Adam and Steve. Be aware. Okay. Looking a bit weak sauce right now, so we'll see. 12 minute is trying to push back into market open though, so we could see, relief before we see down. We could see this, but right now just no buyers stepping up clearly, just a slow bleed out. So patience here. Trying to hold the golden pocket push back. Patience. Still waiting. NASDAQ still hasn't taken its lows. We'll see how the SPY gaps. I'm going to assume the SPY gaps down. Let's look at the ES quickly. ES is... Yeah, it's taking the lows on the ES. If it's taking the lows on the ES, then the SPY should gap down minorly, so we should be back down in here. But we'll see on open. Bitcoin getting a little bit of relief here, but still breaking down, guys. One trade today up a couple hundred, just waiting here. Thank you everybody for being on the live, supporting the channel. Need an AI agent that trades off Trump tweets. I mean, your macro shorts are cooking. Good job, Bova. Congrats on your macro shorts, man. Bart Simpson, please. Curtis Hill, let's go, man. I think so. We'll see if we rotate down. We go straight into the Discord live trading today, guys. Right after the beautiful live stream today. So Discord members, I'll see you guys in the Discord after this. And we'll continue to trade. No delays, good times, man. Thank you for being here, Spawn. More cowbell. We always need more cowbell. Buy or sell? Right now it's a sell, but we're in an area where we could potentially bounce, so hook me up with a free sub G. I'll subscribe to you. Do you want me to subscribe to you? Ryan will do it. I'm subscribed to you, bro. There you go. Free sub, G. All right. Mm-hmm. Still waiting here. We got 20 seconds, guys. Thank you for being here. Smacking up the like button. Subscribe if you're new. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Taking the trades, showing the trades every single day. We took a long off this slap here up into VWAP for $200. Now let's see how this works its way through market open here. Here we go, baby. Let's go. So gap down for SPY. Looking to bounce back here. Filling the gap down below. Creating a gap up above. So gap. I'll shut that off. Sorry, guys. Breaking your eardrums. I know. That's why I got my headphone in. Everybody asks, why do you got your headphone in? Well, it's because of that. Dumping. Bitcoin, rotation down. NASDAQ, rotation down. See if the SPY can bounce back here. Bitcoin trying to hold golden pocket. Push back into VWAP. Nothing yet. Trying to hold here. NASDAQ push up. SPY. Gap down. No rotation down. Oil is breaking out. Oil's breaking out, guys. Caution here. Breakout here on oil. Bearish. Indecision for Bitcoin. Choppy. NASDAQ pushing back, retesting order block. Continuation up here for NAS. SPY pushing back. Gap down, push back. Can we get follow through? Holding golden pocket zone here Otter block trying to push up. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. We'll see how this goes today. Looking for rotation down. However, nice rounded top into golden pocket here. Higher low potentially, but a little bit of weakness going through VWAP this morning. So patience here. Solana trying to hold VWAP as well. Pushback potentially. There's the pushback. Nasdaq coming up into these lows here. Retested the lows. Same with the SPY. SPY is pushing up a little bit right now. Still doesn't look strong enough to me. I'd like to see VWAP reclaim. Continuation out. Still waiting here. Lots of liquidity to come take into these lows here. So may need to like slap and then drop. However, a little bit overextended to the downside here. So just need to see good bottoming structure here. Could take some time before we get that relief. Not going to jump in right now. SPY pushing back. Nasdaq pushing back. Trapping buyers. Trapping buyers. Rotation down. Oil trying to break out. Bitcoin bullish engulfing candle on the 3-minute here, looking strong. Halfway down the candle, continuation up into VWAP. No trade here, still waiting. I like a little bounce here. If we come back down and push out, we could bounce, but this is the area where we look for the bounce, but right now it's not appealing in my opinion. Trapping traders up at the highs here. SPY pushing back a little bit more. Oil still trying to go. Solana reclaim VWAP. Would be bullish if it wasn't an inverse or if it wasn't a head and shoulders, right? Retest continuation down. So patience here. Trying to go here. Trying to go here. Push back on SPY. Retest to previous lows. Defending 65. Buyers stepping up right now. Trying to push price. All right. Weakness. Weakness. Rejection. VWAP slap here. We have VWAP slap. Continuation down. No trade right now. Handyman. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. And put a 3 in the chat if you're sitting on your hands. I'm handymanning it right now, guys. Skiing. Ski, ski, ski. Couple y'all short. Couple y'all long. GG's if you are short. Don't forget to pay yourselves. I think the shorts will play. I like a short here more than a long, if I'm being honest. Handymans. Shorts, longs. Patricio. Good to see you guys. Titan. All right. Rejection here. Coming down. Yikes. Ooh, aggressive move through VWAP. Trapping traders up at the highs here. Looking to come and fill this gap down below here, 65 on SPY if we're gonna get dumping, but very choppy. Choppy at the whoppy, guys. I mean, don't trade chop the whop. Aggressive move through VWAPs, typically bearish. A little bit overextended though, so still waiting here. A little lower and a little slower. That's what she said, right? Oil trying to go here. Holding. It is holding, but no trade here. I'd like to see a dump just so we have a bigger orb for today. Like, get moving, man. Get this 15-minute candle in and get moving. That's what I want to see. I'd like to see this thing push down. No real decision being made here, though. Front ran VWAP, rotation down, order block down here. Trying to hold. 500 people on the live stream. Thank you guys for being here. Indecision across the board. Indecision across the board. Yeah. Solana looks like it needs to come back down. Same with Biddy. Biddy looks like it needs to rotate down. Bart Simpson in the house. We'll see. We'll see. Trying to defend this Golden Pocket 786 locally. There's no buyer stepping up here. Like, you would need relief into 70,900 minimum. Order block here. Push back. Come on, Bitcoin, get moving, man. Just pick a direction. Really, this is this price action's absolutely grim, right, Gio? Just chopping, man. Just chopping. Still no trade here. Dump it, Bitcoin. Come on. 5 minutes till orb. Tweezer top on NASDAQ. Rotation down. SPY rotation down as well. There we go. Down we go. That took forever. Go on, Biddy. Orb and VWAP, like so similar to yesterday. We had Orb and VWAP support yesterday. Now we have Orb and VWAP resistance today. Dump it, baby. NASDAQ rotation down. SPY rotation down. So far, so good. Coming for this liquidity like we talked about. Great short, everybody. Don't forget to pay yourselves. 786 down here. VWAP and orb high becomes resistance. Rotation down now. Looking to come for the lows. Nice dump. Congratulations on your shorts, everybody. GG's. IGG you guys. All you guys in the shorts. GG's. Good job. Solana big dump. Rotation down. Yep. Nice dump. Head and shoulders played out. Bitcoin, rotation down. NASDAQ, coming back down. Donald Trump pump is being mitigated. Coming down for this box now here for the SPY. So we have a gap down. This gap up is now being filled. SPY's bleeding out, down 1% here. Bitcoin bleeding out as well. Congratulations on your shorts, everybody. Good job. No trades right now, just chilling. Just chilling, everybody. Continuation down. Push back here. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing and hanging out today. I do appreciate you guys being here. We're live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Trying to make crypto honest again. Trying to help you guys navigate these charts. 500 people here. You guys are cool, man. The only thing I do ask is that you say good morning. I do like a good morning. So if you're new here, welcome. The only thing I ask is you say good morning. Don't be weirdo. Excellent so far. Yeah. Yeah, you're crushing the stocks, bro. I saw that on your Twitter, bro. That's that's sick, man. You're crushing the stocks. I've rotated my stocks out. I've got some energy stocks right now. Yeah, I saw. What is this? Crypto face. Suck at crypto? So do I sometimes. Stocks are always easy, though. Look at this guy. That's sick, bro. GG's, man. I love seeing you win. That's sick. That's sick, man. For me, I've had to adjust. I built the account up from like 60 to 100K, and then the market changed on me, and I lost 23. So I like lowered my account size, and then I made 33. Now I'm up 8,000. I'm up 8,000 right now, so I'm up 40 racks for February, March. I made about 20 in January. So being the turtle, man, but I had to size down because this price action is absolutely shite. Everybody here knows I've had to size down just because I was taking like $1 million trades, and just the chop was just nasty, man. The way I trade, it's not, I mean, you get stopped out for $3 grand, $4 grand, $2 grand, $4 grand. It adds up. So I had to mitigate that. If you get the move correct, you're going to make money. So I'm happy. $500, $1,000 a day and keep the doctor away kind of deal. Not complaining though. Slow and steady, man. That's what you told me to do a long time ago. U is greater than Wall Street cokeheads. Yeah, that's it. That's it, man. It's true, man. These guys just booger sugar alley, man. They don't even know what they're doing. Orb is in, everybody. Look at that. I didn't even have to mark out the orb today. Magical indicator. Ray Orb is in. Look at that. That was convenient. I didn't even have to put a trend line on the damn chart. Trying to hold the lows here. Bull div, sweep of the lows, pushback. Sweep of the lows, pushback. Potential little bit of relief here. I wouldn't say full relief, but I would say a little bit of relief potentially. Nice rotation down. Be the turtle, guys. When are we going to get all the traders back on one show? I don't mind taking everybody's money again. As long as CryptoFace says he's not going to trade fucking one cat again, we ain't going to fucking talk about that. One cat fucking spread. You I'm fucking scarred for life, man. If you guys don't know, I was profitable every single Trading Wars show. I was profitable every single Trading Wars show. And I was in the finals against CryptoFace. And I was up like whatever. We're trading with $1,000 account. I was up $20, man. I traded pretty well. And he was trading one cat. Fucking one cat. Guys, I can't even fucking. He was trading fucking one cat. You can't even fucking find this thing. Where the hell is it? And he was trading the spread on fucking one cat. He made like 2 bills. He made like $200 and whooped my ass. But anytime it would pop, he would make fucking big money as long as he got the fucking pop right. Fucking one cat. I'm scarred, man. I got my ass whooped by a one cat token. The champ remains the champ, man. Oh. But then he sponsored the channel, and as you put it, you let me suck the teat. So I always appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it, but fucking whoop my ass with one cat. That's when I had like 1,500 subscribers, man. I had no subscribers. I was just this little hobbit Canadian. And Face sponsored the channel, man. It's pretty cool, man. Very grateful. Very grateful. Guys, this is just bleeding out slowly right now. So no trades, still waiting. How much capital do I use to make 1K a day? Well, right now I've lowered my size. So I do have a big trading account. Okay, so I'm able, let's just say that I'm able to risk 1% and risk about $3,000 per trade. So I do have a big account. Okay. However, I have been risking generally about $400 to $600 per trade right now. Generally. Depending on the setup, of course. I do have a much bigger account, so there's a little bit more confidence I have because I know that I have a big account and I'm not too worried about losing $600. It's not massive to me. Losing $3,000, $4,000 per trade, it adds up. But yeah, generally right now I'm risking about $400 to $600 per trade. Trying to make $1,000. Most of the time, you know, depending on price action. Trying to hold lower orb right now. Rotation down. NASDAQ continually bleeding out. SPY. Yeah. No sign of a bottom right now, guys. Just breaking down. Clearly just breaking down. Coming for the lows right now. Liquidity at the lows. So you are looking for something in here. However, I do like these lows a bit better. So let's just wait and see. There she goes. Coming for the lows now. I like these lows better at 69.9, but we'll see. Price action is absolutely flaccid today. Look at this thing. Big floppy donkey dick. Now you can't unsee it. Sorry, guys. God bless, Face. Have a wonderful day, bro. Appreciate you. I think Kyle's swing short from yesterday was 468,900. That's good. This is ugly, man. This is ugly. Shorts are getting paid right now, guys. Shorts are getting paid. Looking to come to this low right here, guys. Beautiful. Donald Trump can't save it. There's that 1 hour trigger wave to the downside. Bam. Right? Got the McDonald's pattern. Adam and Steve pattern. Whatever pattern you want to call it, guys. As long as you know how to take the trade, enter the trade, manage your risk, and pay yourself. That is the key. I don't care if you call it whatever you want to call it. Call it what you want. Nice sweep here. Nice bounce. Nice bounce. Still waiting. Give it the VWAP slap. Soy Boy Lana trying to defend the lows here. Can we get a bounce? Looking for a bounce, maybe? Might consider a long here. Nasdaq's got to go. I like Solana here more than Bitcoin. Solana can get back here. Bitcoin's got to push here, though. Bitcoin's pushing, trying to go. No follow through yet on Sol. Bitcoin rotation down. Bye-bye. Yeah, down we go. No trade here. Nasdaq chop, SPY chop, Bitcoin chop. Solana can reclaim here. We could consider a long, but right now it doesn't look like it's feasible. Down only. Retest to orb, continuation down. Now as resistance, so we have order block in here. Continuation down. Hasn't taken this liquidity just yet. NASDAQ rotating down as well. Trying to push back here. Bitcoin still weak. SPY. SPY's trying to hold. Yeah. Bitcoin trying to hold the lows here. Still waiting, guys. Tony Soprano. We all know it's going to hit 69,420. That's it, right? That's it. Trying to reclaim here on Solana. We got a splooshy symbol. Splooshy symbol, guys. I guess I didn't teach you guys what the splooshy symbol is. I got to teach you guys what the splooshy symbol is. We'll teach you in the Discord. Rotation down. No buyers here. Down we go. Congratulations on your shorts, everybody. Still no trade here. Still waiting. What did he say? Splooshy? Yeah. Dude, what's the splooshy? NASDAQ pushing back here. Liquidity taken here. Still no liquidity taken out of these lows here, but not convinced on any trade right now. Obviously, shorts up here have played out nicely, but we're pretty overextended here for any more shorts. Could be looking for an orb retest. Orb retest continuation down. Could be looking for this. It's so flat today, man. Holy. A little bit of a pushback here on Solana. See how Bitcoin reacts if it can reclaim orb or if it gets rejected from orb here. Nice pushback. NASDAQ pushing out. SPY pushing out. A little bit of confluence here for continuation up. I'm good for now. Thank you. Nice pushback here coming into orb. Retest of orb. Bitcoin pushing back here. Trying to reclaim orb. Lower orb reclaim on Bitcoin. 10:01. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We'll see if we can push through orb or if we're going to get rejected here. Or breakdown? Rejection here on NASDAQ. Rejection on SPY. Trying to push out. Oil still looking strong here. Climbing up slowly. Bitcoin trying to climb here into order block. Trying to reclaim orb. That's a nice candle here. Very nice doji engulfing candle. Continuation trade here. Trying to push out. Trying to push out into this order block here. Halfway down the candle. Potential wick test trade. NASDAQ still looking weak. SPY still looking weak. Poor follow through here. Coming back down. Potential wick test here. Soy Boy Lana trying to defend the lows. See if we can push back here, Solana. I'm long. I'm going to hit TP1 there. Stop loss to entry. Quarter position size. Just want to see if we run here. I hit TP up here. Marketed, so it's only $22, but I'm just seeing if we want to run back into this fair value gap right here. Could potentially do that. Just a quickie. See if it wants to push into this area in here. If Bitcoin reclaims orb and NASDAQ pushes out of here, there's potential. It's a nice pullback here halfway down the candle for Bitcoin, so we could get that potential pushback here for Solana. Solana, obviously more juice. See if it wants to follow through here up into this high even and take that off there if it pushes. Quarter position size. I didn't want to risk too much on this. It's just so choppy right now, guys. It's not. Look at this. It doesn't know what it wants to do. Need Bitcoin to follow through here and for NASDAQ to follow through for Solana to get going. Okay, stopped out on Solana. $20. That's fine. Failing to reclaim orb. See if we closed above here, that would have been a nice follow through, but clearly not. $7 trade. Let's go. Let's go, Alexo. I mean, I de-risked, right? It's a break-even trade. It's a break-even trade. It's to see if it runs, right? Might take a little bit of time here to run, but we're rich. I don't think I've ever seen you do a $20 trade. There you go. Popped your cherry there, Sharkfin. Look at this price action, man. Like this. Absolutely shocking, mate. Retest orb short. Yeah. I've been watching your YouTube live streams for about a week now. Never seen you see you trade. That's okay, man. We took a trade this morning off of the VWAP, off of the Golden Pocket slap for $200 this morning. There's that follow through that I was looking for. There it is, guys. Early to the party, I guess. Anybody else get long in here? There it is. I was early. I was early, guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you longed here. GG's. I was early. Hanging Man engulfing candle. Doji engulfing. Key level of support. Trying to reclaim orb here. Hey, it was a good trade. We were looking to come up into these highs here, so no complaints. Just a little bit early, which is fine. I mean, we managed risk. At the end of the day, this market is vicious right now, so I'm not upset with the execution on that, because that's what we were looking for. Push into the fair value gap here, which we got on Bitcoin, and then we got that follow through on Solana, right? That would have been a nice couple hundo there. Didn't happen, but you know, we didn't lose anything either, so it's still a win in my books. Trying to hold orb here. I'd like to see this close above orb. This isn't looking pretty right now, this candle. I'd like to see a pushback here. If we can close above orb here, this looks for follow through here. Wick test continuation up, potentially. Nasdaq's got to climb here. SPY's climbing back. Failed orb breakdown is typically bullish. Looking for rotation to VWAP. If it can push here, this is where I would look for it to push. Solana as well. I don't know if it's worth the squeeze right now. We're going to go trade live in the Discord. That should be fun. Breaking down here. Breaking down. Failed orb hold. Nasdaq still trying to climb. Crypto dying. Okay. Interesting. Bitcoin dumping. Failed orb reclaim. Weird price action, guys. We're going to go into the Discord now. Going to send you over to the Piper Academy. Discord members. Going to go into the Discord. We'll see what we can find. God bless you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. Choppy market today. Lower your risk. Protect that capital. I'll see you guys in the morning. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye for now. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane.